Good morning students. Today we are going to start new lesson, that is the lesson number 20, optative and imperative sentence. Okay, it is related with optative and imperative sentence. Okay, now look here, what is meant by the optative sentence? We have to learn that. Okay, look here, optative sentence are those. Okay, optative sentence are those that express a wish, hope or desire. What is meant by the optative sentence? Which express means feeling, show. Okay, express means show. Okay, show a wish. Do you know wish, hope or desire? These are the similar words like that. Okay, ऑप्टेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स म्हणजे असं वाक्य की ज्यामधून काय व्यक्त होतं, काय व्यक्त केलं जातं, इच्छा व्यक्त केली जाते किंवा आशा व्यक्त केली जाते किंवा एखादं डिझायर काय आहे, महत्वाकांक्षा कशी असावी याबद्दल बोललं जातं. त्या सेंटेन्सला आपण काय म्हणतो, ऑप्टेटिव्ह इच्छादर्शक वाक्य असं सुद्धा म्हणू शकतो. ओके, नाउ लुक हियर, द व्हाट इज मीन बाय द ऑप्टेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स आर दोज दैट एक्सप्रेस अ विश, होप or desire, full stop. Are you getting that? Now look here, here is one example of that optative sentence. May God bless you. May God bless you. Okay, this sentence is a optative sentence. This sentence is optative. In that sentence they express some wishes. Okay, some wishes, that is may God bless you. Okay, the same thing we can write in this way, would that God were to bless me. Okay, in the another form we can write that would that God were to bless me, full stop. Now look here, a question related with optative sentence, we have to learn that. The question is here, look here, convert the following assertive statements. Convert the following assertive statements or statements, okay, statements into optative sentence. We have to convert assertive statements or sentences into optative sentence. Look here, the first example is here, you will live a long life, full stop. It is assertive sentence. You will live a long life, full stop, and we have to convert that sentence into optative sentence. Look here, in this way, may you live a long life, exclamation mark. In the optative sentence we put exclamation mark, exclamatory mark at the end of optative sentence. Okay, look here, you will live a long life, full stop, we convert that into optative sentence, that is may you live a long life. Okay, we starting use here the modal auxiliary, that is may, and then subject, and then verb plus remaining part, and then exclamatory mark. It is a optative sentence. Now the second sentence is here, you are getting rid of all your troubles. Rid means, okay, rid, rid means sutka. Okay, that means you get except from that things. Okay, relief. Okay, you are getting rid of all your troubles, and we have to convert that sentence into optative sentence. Look here, may you get rid. Rid means relief. Okay, relief of all your troubles, exclamation mark, that is the optative sentence. Now third sentence is here, God has granted you health, full stop. It is a assertive statement. Third sentence is God has granted you health, that is the assertive statements, and we have to convert that assertive sentence into optative sentence. Look here, may God grant you health, exclamation mark or exclamatory mark. We use here may, that modal auxiliary, and then we use the remaining part. Okay, we remove the first helping verb, that is has. Okay, may God grant you health, exclamatory mark, and it made. We convert that assertive statements into appetitive sentence. Okay, I hope you can get the clear idea related with this sentence. Okay, now the fourth sentence is here. You best man will. Okay, the best man will win the race. Full stop. Okay, it is the assertive statements. The best man will win the race. Full stop. We have to convert that statements into appetitive sentence. Look here. Let the best man win the race! Exclamatory mark. And it is one, we can say that it is a desire. Okay, it is a desire. Okay, in appetitive sentence we express wish, hope or desire. That express a sentence which express wish, hope and desire, that is called appetitive sentence. And in the same sentence they express a desire. Let the best man win the race. या वाक्यामध्ये इच्छा व्यक्त केलेली आहे, डिझायर व्यक्त केलेली आहे की बेस्ट जो माणूस आहे त्याला जिंकण्याची, शर्यत जिंकण्याची संधी मिळावी. म्हणजे लेट द बेस्ट मॅन win the race! Exclamatory mark. Or so that it is a appetitive sentence. Now the fifth sentence is here. All your wishes will come true. Okay, it is one assertive statement or sentence. We have to convert that sentence into appetitive sentence. Look here. May all your wishes come true, and at the last exclamatory mark. Now six sentences here, 6 numbers. Okay, the dead will be in peace. Okay, the dead will be in peace. Full stop. Now we have to convert that into appetitive sentence. Let the dead rest in peace! Exclamatory mark. Now the last one is here. Okay, we can convert that assertive sentence into appetitive sentence which express hope, desire, okay, or wish. Okay, we can convert any sentence into appetitive sentence with the help of modal auxiliary or with the help of let also, that express the desire. Okay, look here. Nagesh will climb the ladder to success. Okay, now we can use here may Nagesh climb the ladder to success! Exclamatory mark. Instead of Nagesh you can use here any name. Okay, in this way you can convert any assertive statements into appetitive sentence. I hope you get the clear idea related with this topic. The remaining part of this topic we will see in next video. Okay.